They ruined the last day I had with my dog, and I made sure they'd never forget it. Lucy was 13, and you could tell she was exhausted. Her eyes had that distant look, like she was already halfway gone. The vet had been blunt. A few days left, tops. The cancer had spread too far, and her little body just couldn't keep going. We set the final vet visit for Wednesday. That meant I had Tuesday to give her the best day I could. She adored the beach, always had. So I found this tiny, peaceful cottage with its own strip of sand. Perfect for one last adventure. I packed all her favorite things, those old tennis balls she barely chewed anymore, the stuffed duck she used to sleep with, and the extra treats we normally saved for special days. I even grabbed her a cheeseburger, no bun, just the meat and cheese, exactly the way she loved it. She couldn't walk much by then, so I carried her gently from the car to a blanket on the sand. Her nose twitched in the breeze, her tail gave the smallest wag. She knew where we were. She felt safe. She knew she was loved. Then, out of nowhere, music, loud, pounding bass. The rental next door was packed with 5 college-aged guys who thought Tuesday morning was a great time to party. Speakers blasted, people were yelling, beer pong clattered on their deck. At first I tried to block it out. Lucy had her head in my lap, eyes drifting closed. I hoped the noise would pass. But it didn't. After an hour of nonstop thumping, I walked over. I stayed calm. Told one of them, "Hey, I know you're just having fun, but my dog's dying. This is our last day. Could you please turn it down just a little?" He stared at me, blinked, and said, "So?" Not like she can hear us over the cancer. I froze. Another guy on the porch burst out laughing. "Turn it up," he shouted, and the music got louder. I didn't fight. I just walked away, closed every window and door, laid next to Lucy on the floor as she trembled. She hated loud sounds, always did.